Silence has been praised down the ages as one of the most important factors for inner transformation. But silence alone is neither enough nor beneficial. Silence alone can be tremendously harmful. Silence alone is a negative state. It can make you more dead than you are. It can destroy the joy of inner being. It can be an obstruction into the growth of a celebrating soul. Silence is beautiful only if it is rooted in awareness. If it is not rooted in awareness, then it is utterly empty. With awareness, silence has a depth, a plenitude, a fulfillment, a contentment, an overflowing joy. With awareness, silence blooms, releases great fragrance. Without awareness, the silence is utterly empty and dark, dismal, sad. Silence can either be of the symmetry or of a sunrise. The silence can be of a bird on the wing, or it can be that of a corpse. Both are silences, but diametrically opposite. The silence of a corpse has to be avoided. The silence of a flower has to be imbibed. The silence of the flower will make you a flower. The silence of the corpse will make you a corpse. Both look from the outside the same. Don't be deceived by appearances. Always look for the essential, for the very core. Two things can appear similar from the outside and may be just the opposites of each other. The seeker has to be very cautious, very conscious on each step, because the false is easy to attain. It is very easy to become dead and very difficult to be overflowing with life. That's why millions of monks, nuns have followed the false path. They have become silent. You can go to the monasteries and you will find people who are silent, but their silence has the taste of death. Their silence is not the silence of a song, of a dance. Their silence is not divine. In fact, they have fallen rather than rising higher, soaring upwards. They have fallen so much, they have become just dead rocks. Their silence has not been a transformation. It has been a suicide. And because it has not been a soaring high, you will find all kind of foolishnesses still hidden in it, waiting for their opportunity, for their moment to explode. Wisdom, silence, love, compassion, joy, nothing of these beautiful qualities can be practiced. If you practice them, you falsify them. They come on their own. All that you need to do is to be more and more aware. On the tree of awareness, many flowers bloom. The flower of love, the flower of truth, the flower of compassion, the flower of non-violence. Why? Because the more you become aware, the less you can believe in the separation. The more you are aware, the less you are an ego. When you become totally aware, you disappear. You become part and parcel of the whole.